Hey, it's me again, Jeff. I've been making espresso at home with the Longhi for a few years now, and I'll be your guide through 3 styles of machines. We have manual, semi-automatic, and fully automatic, and I'll share some tips along the way. Let's get into it. The Linea Classic is a great way to start with a manual machine. The design is nice, it's compact, and it still looks premium while saving some counter space. With automatic flow stop, it delivers single or double shots, and the adjustable steam wand is ready for hot milk or cappuccino settings. Try being a barista at home and pick up a milk frothing pitcher. It can add some style to your coffee. I like that they added a front-mounted pressure gauge for this consistent 9 bars of pressure. This price point, that's impressive. The feedback helps spot over or under extraction, so I know when to adjust the amount of coffee or my tamp accordingly. Manual does mean a little more work, but that's the fun of espresso. You'll make a few mistakes, you'll learn from them, and you'll keep dialing it in. A good grinder and a digital scale will help make it easier to get the results you're looking for. And now onto the La Specialista Opera. I have the previous model of this one at home, and I seriously love it. This semi-automatic machine does way more than just espresso. I can make Americanos, traditional coffee, cold brew in under 5 minutes, or an espresso cool over ice. Insane. My wife loves cold brew because it's less acidic, and our camera guy Luke loves iced Americanos, and you've got to keep the crew happy, right? Don't worry, we got you. The smart tamping station is a nice addition. There's less mess and the lever helps get just the right pressure on the tamp. The commercial style steam wand on this side gives me cafe quality milk froth. I enjoy my Americanos, but I do like to surprise my guests with latte art. Maybe it's a sad attempt at a flower, a smiley face, or whatever blob I can put in there with milk. The grinder steps up to 15 different grind settings. I can fine tune for different beans or roasts. When brewing, if the pressure gauge is near red and I've made a bitter shot, I go coarser with the grind level. If it's low, resulting in a sour and a light colored shot, I go finer to increase the pressure. A semi-automatic still lets you be creative and learn from getting the feedback that you get from pulling your own shots. That's part of the fun. Everything is easily accessible right on the front, and you can make simple, small tweaks to keep getting closer to that perfect shot every time. Finally, for the VIP experience at home, here's the fully automatic Revelia. It's perfect if you want your favorite drinks made quickly, easily, with cafe-level consistency. Think easy entertaining while keeping all your guests happy with their sometimes picky coffee preferences. You know who you are. The bean switch system lets me swap between 2 hoppers in seconds. It's great for switching from regular to decaf or maybe a different variety of bean. And then with Bean Adapt technology, the Revelia guides me to the right grind and dose settings for the perfect espresso. Its coffee routines learn my habits and put my go-to drinks front and center. With up to 4 user profiles, everyone gets their own personalized menu. The modern, compact design with smooth, rounded corners looks great on my counter. When I fired this up for the crew today, they are blown away at how easy it was. From bean to cup, grinding, dosing, brewing, and frothing, it's all handled at the touch of a button. Hey, who wanted the flat white again? So whether you're hands-on with a manual, finding your rhythm with a semi-automatic, or letting a fully automatic do all the work for you, there's a DeLonghi that fits your style. Check them out in store, bestbuy.com, or in the app to get started on your own coffee journey.